Hey everyone, what's going on? You're watching Mr. Motor Freak and I welcome you to my channel. So this time I'm back with a video on mid-size sedans. Hey, every middle class person wants one. And so if you're confused on which one to buy, then you'll have your answer in a couple of minutes. Stay tuned. So my first pick of the day is Toyota Yaris. It is the newest player in this segment and the pros are comfort, space and handling. The CVT box is good as heaven. When we talk about the wait guys, since when the Toyota Yaris has cons? Okay, let me think. Not much colors on offer? No, that can't be a con. Coming back to the Yaris's benefits. It's got 7 airbags, it's spacious, the engine is really powerful, 1496cc. But you know what? If I get to sit around and tell you the features on offer, it could take an eternity. Not an eternity, but you get the idea. 476 liters of boot space on offer. Ex-showroom price 8.75 lakhs to 14.07 lakhs, New Delhi. Another Maruti Suzuki. Wait man, I'm sick and I'm about to cry. Seems like I'm intentionally advertising Maruti Suzuki, but I'm not. All the cars are so good that I can't ignore this brand in each of my video. Coming back to the Ciaz. Good car. And on my personal experience, I'm sure that this is the most spacious car in the segment. Very strong car, but not much airbags, only 2. Only 90 horsepower is all the engine can churn out. Supreme Commander in boot space, 510 liters. Priced very smartly against rivals. Ex-showroom New Delhi prices are 8.45 lakhs to 11.94 lakhs. The legendary Honda City. More features, space and comfort after the recent facelift. The cabin no more makes you feel like a typical Honda and the 149cc engine is pretty good. CVT only in petrol. 2 airbags but 6 in the top petrol and top diesel models. Manages to put a huge smile on your face every time you sit inside, be a passenger or the driver. 510 liters of boot space. So, in a great rivalry with the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. Starts from 10.25 lakhs and goes on till 13.88 lakhs ex-showroom price, Delhi. The Hyundai Verna has been there for some time around, but back to the facelifts have seen a rise in huge numbers. Gets a lot more power-filled engine, only 2 airbags, 1591cc engine and a boot space of a decent 476 liters. 10.66 lakhs to 13 is the ex-showroom price. The automatic transmission is terrible and is so much terrible that okay, leave it, forget it. Here's a car that no one expected to be here. It is the Volkswagen Vento. See this? Very practical. I mean, it's made for simple daily use. It's good looking and it is so much, and by so much, I mean so much comfortable that it is so much comfortable. Okay, I'm beginning to push far more little now. So coming back to the car, the petrol engine gives out 103 horsepower and the diesel one gives 108. Nice ride and lots of features. Short on passenger space, automatic gearbox not good and highly irresponsive. Touchscreen is also not good. Boot space of 527 liters. The Vento has not gained very good reviews unlike City and Ciaz. It starts from 9.52 lakhs and goes on till 13.66 lakhs ex-showroom price Delhi. So here comes the final stage 2, which is the last stage of the comparison. The Vento was ruled out due to convenience features and reviews which were not good. The Verna wasn't so special and needs to work on same problems of refinery and as of the Vento. Winner is Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. It has outclassed every other car on all kinds of bases. But not the Honda City. The Honda City is an equivalent rival to Ciaz but loses on pricing. The RS can also be considered, it can also be brought, but small boot space and aggressive pricing spoils the game. Hope you enjoyed the video guys and got help if you're planning to buy a mid-size sedan. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Goodbye for now, see you later.